always do this. Good morning.
Good morning.
Tell me you off to school. Uno's off to school. We waiting on the bus. Uno's watching Legos. And yeah, I'm back. Video because I'm finna get ready to do my sister's hair. So yeah, I just put on some clothes, calm myself, you know, getting a little cutesy, you know, put on me, did me some self-care, took a bath, comb my hair, lay my edges. I ain't comb my hair, I mean I lay my edges. I'm rambling. I got something going on in here, something going on in there, TV going everywhere. Yeah. She said take your time. Not gonna lie, my day started off very much not productive as it should have been. I put my kid on the bus at 6:30. It's like 8, 9 o'clock. I ain't did nothing. I ain't gonna say I didn't do nothing. I did morning readings. I drank some coffee, but that's literally all I did. Did I post a TikTok? Probably so. Let me the first 3 things I do. Those be the first 3 things I do, but there's a lot of stuff I need to do. I am getting behind on a lot of stuff. It's September the 24th, and I am trying to be geared up and ready to go by the time October comes. I want a lot of my videos to be scheduled and stuff like that. Just so much schedule, and even more than that, I'm just trying to make sure my phone is clear so that I can make little October content. I'm not so big on making Halloween content, but I just need to make sure because I know October is Vlogtober and everybody gonna be pushing out content. With that being said, we're gonna do, it's not Tuesday, but we're gonna do 10-minute Tuesday. We're gonna try to do as many 10-minute tasks as we could. For some stuff, we're gonna do 30-minute tasks because I can't do homework in 10 minutes. Let's be for real. Be for real. I can't do homework in 10 minutes. Let me stop talking to y'all like that because who the hell do I think I am talking to y'all like that on my phone? Okay, get it together. Get it together. Because yeah, I'm getting beside myself. And then that's one thing I hate. Like this girl I watch on TikTok. She like when I first started watching her, she was nice and shit, but now she like got the worst attitude ever. Like every time you tell her something, I don't be telling her nothing to make her mad, but every time somebody do tell her something to make her mad, she just have this attitude like, oh nah, you can't say that, and I'm just like, well, I really don't be combating because I like her page and I do not want to get blocked, but I know if I say a lot of shit I get blocked, so I just shut the fuck up sometimes because it's really not that deep, and I just be trying to get her to understand that some of the shit she be saying is not right, but you cannot do that over you can't do that in a chat, like, you know what I'm saying, you can't do it in a chat, so that's why sometimes I just shut the fuck up. Anyways, you guys, with that being said, yeah, let's try to do something productive with our life and let's try to get it together. This is not gonna be a get out of something video. I really don't know what kind of video it's gonna be. Whenever we figure it out, we'll put that in there. Okay? I'll probably be saying it's like every time I make a video, I start the video like that because like I said, I never know what video this going in. But something 10-minute Tuesday productive vlog, something I don't know. Yeah.
It's DJ Ryan.
It is 9:13. We're gonna see how fast it takes to clean the bathroom up. Like I say, that's all that's dirty in the bathroom, nothing but a little small stuff. So I'll be back. It is 9:30. I have successfully read 15 pages of this silent patient book. I still cleaning up. I'm gonna clean up now. On the basis she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before, so I ignore it. I'm knowing she just mad for the moment. What's up, gang? It is 9:50. I have successfully cleaned up my bathroom and cleaned up my room. I'm going to take a shower, take a bath, and then go to bed. It is 10:22. Officially took a bath. I wasn't going to comb my hair, but I decided against it. So I'm just going to put on some face care, mascara, lip gloss, keep it pushing. I had to lay down for like a second because I just get hot and overwhelmed again. And my body said, damn, like, you doing a lot of stuff way too fast. It's like, and it's saying that just because it's not used to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do face care. I am putting Tazarec gel on my face. The kick about the Tazarec gel is it's gel that I done had for years. So I probably really need to go to the dermatology and get a new pack. But it helps my face so much, but I think I have either put it on too many nights in a row or put too much on to mix something with it. I don't know, but my face is kind of like, what's this called? Like tender to the touch. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's like that. I did do me a white script yesterday. I know they're not yet, but we're working on it. Okay, but other than that, yeah, let's do that.
Tell her to come in, she just like Jordan. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to do? Yes. Spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes. Baby, I be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if we go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, and I don't love you for sick. I bring you to my hood, shit, we can ride in my Vic. I buy you diamonds, no inside this shit, I'll VVS. And this shit crazy, cause I know that you just mine for the day. And this shit crazy, cause I know that this bitch lying on my face. She got a man, so I can never take her out on no date. I ain't just saying that. The nigga who been cheating on, like, baby, I done been that. And I know how it feels, so we can go ahead and end that. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes.
I just really showed y'all this part because I really wanted to show y'all me just slapping the Vaseline on my face. I want to get
inside her mouth, I got a little bit on.
It's 12:30. I have went to the store. I'm still trying to pay a bill, but for some reason I can't get the money off my card. So I called the people we working on that, and then I'm starving, so I'm gonna fix a little of the food we ate last night before I throw it out. And then yeah, I went to my meeting. They didn't have too much going on. I'm still working on immigration law. Well, I need to start working on immigration law. But before I even start on immigration law, I need to make sure I do my work for class. I am in professional development 202, and I am taking torch at the moment. And it's funny because it's 12:49. I'm soaking on the couch. Finna eat. Getting fixed vlog. I don't know, but y'all, my teeth hurted so bad last night to where I was literally crying. And God just so happily sent my mama to bring me a cold drink. And y'all should have seen, like, I was just like, Mama, I don't even know. My teeth was hurting so bad. Like, my baby was trying to help me. He was hugging me, helping me up the steps. Now I'm to the point where, like, I got to make sure I take the pills every single time. Even if I got to double up, over D. Whatever I got to do to make sure I don't go through that exact pain no more. Because Mama say, if you take the pills, my mama said if you take the pills and then you stop, the pain will come back even worse. And that's what happened to me. I had never felt the pain like that before. And it was just so excruciating to the point where, like, we going to find us a doctor, we going to find us a dentist, and we going to find this one fast. So this is the story of me on the road to pretty, clean, white, healthy teeth. Okay, listen, it's like 8:17. I always forget that the trash man is running until the trash man run. So what he gotta do, he gotta run all the way down there, then he gotta do something, make a U-turn, he gotta come back. But it's literally only a hot 5 minutes. So I gotta run, take the trash to the road, come back. I can't stay long. Bye.
Yeah. Oh, you know I like to have fun. I like to take them back on that old school shit. Yeah. Money talking like that, my baby. Seeing these brand new faces, say shootouts in different places. Shotters talk overrated, that money come different phrases. Yeah. Heard these niggas want some smoke with them babies. Bullet exit is dome, come in contact with the others. My homie died from that fire for a fact, man. I love it. Weekend, I don't know white flag. I made that choice, so I'm thugging. Don't give a fuck, cause when it's up, I drop the bag for the bus. These niggas puss out your jewelry glistening. Man, that shit won't blind a nigga when he shoot, I ain't missing. Yeah. And all that shit they rap about, I ain't feeling. I learned how to read a nigga sitting penitentiary. Yeah. Posting them trenches on the most dangerous block in the rig. Up on a nigga with that Glock that I just bought out the egg. Approaches talking all this talk, we shoot him dead in his face. We out the time, I came with when I did some muscle in that cage. Too many guns, they counted 9, the police came to the raid. They took 10,000 of the money, my bitch.
It's DJ Ryan.
On the basis she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before, so I ignore it. I'm knowing she just mine for the moment, so I'll enjoy it. If I call her, tell her to come in, she just like Jordan. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes. Spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes. Me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, and I don't love you for sick. I bring you to my hood, shit, we can ride in my Vic. I buy you diamonds, no inside this shit, I'll VVS. And this shit crazy, cause I know that you just mine for the day. And this shit crazy, cause I know that this bitch lying on my face. She got a man, so I can never take her out on no date. I ain't just saying that. The nigga who been cheating on, like, baby, I done been that. And I know how it feels, so we can go ahead and end that. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes. Spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes. Me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. You know you bitch. You hurt cause you been hurt, you ain't getting a mission. I guess it's better to hurt. Cause when you reckless with your heart,